he pull up here and pull his front end out?
I think he's going to try to. Get ready to let out on. That's what it is. I think he's going to try to start it now. Get ready to let out on. Yeah. I got you. Straight up to work his back tires on. Out. Come my way. Keep coming. Woo! Safety. Jordan. Come my way, Justin. Get ready to go. They got no fire. Put it first. Let it start right there. There you go.
Ooh.
Why did it start? Done good. Hell yeah. That's your big salmon,